You've dreamed of Alaska, the glaciers, the whales, the untouched wilderness, and the raw beauty of last frontier. But most cruisers, even the savvy ones, have no idea how much they're missing. Behind the glossy brochures and cruise line ads lie unspoken truths. Secrets that can turn your once-in-a-lifetime trip into a cold, costly disappointment or into something absolutely extraordinary. Cruise lines don't talk about these. Travel agents rarely mention them. And by the time most passengers figure it out, it's already too late. But not for you. Because today, I'm revealing 12 Alaska cruise secrets they don't want you to know, the kind of hidden insights that can save you hundreds of dollars, unlock once-in-a-lifetime wildlife encounters, and help you avoid the biggest regrets cruisers whisper about when it's all over. Whether you're planning your first Alaska cruise or your fifth, this guide could completely change how you experience the last frontier. Let's unlock them, one secret at a time. Secret number 1. The Inside Passage versus Gulf of Alaska route. Most first-time cruisers don't realize there are two primary Alaska cruise routes, and choosing incorrectly is a hidden pitfall. The mistake is assuming all Alaska cruises are the same. The secret is knowing the difference between the Inside Passage, which is a round trip from Seattle and Vancouver, and the Gulf of Alaska that is one-way cruises between Vancouver, Seattle, and Anchorage, Seward. They don't emphasize this because one-way is often more complex for logistics. A couple booked an Inside Passage cruise hoping to see Denali National Park, only to realize at the last minute they were hundreds of miles away and would need a separate, expensive land tour. The Inside Passage is scenic with more protected waters, ideal for first-timers. But if seeing Denali or extending your trip deep into Alaska is paramount, the one-way Gulf of Alaska route with a pre- or post-cruise land tour, called a cruise tour, is the secret key. Know your goal, then pick your path. Secret number 2. Go northbound, not southbound, for cruise tours. If you're doing a cruise tour, here's a secret that can save your sanity. Go northbound, not southbound. Most passengers default to southbound land tours. Cruise lines prefer southbound because it fills later. I've seen countless people on southbound cruise tours feeling rushed and exhausted. They spend days on buses, constantly packing and unpacking, only to board the cruise utterly fatigued. By contrast, a northbound cruise tour starts with the relaxation of the cruise, then gradually transitions to the land portion, leaving you rested for the more intensive touring. It's a pacing secret that makes a huge difference. Secret number 3. Book excursions independently for bigger savings and better experiences. Cruise lines heavily promote their own shore excursions, and that's often where they make a lot of profit. The secret to bigger savings and often more intimate experiences is to book your shore excursions independently through local operators. My friend paid $200 per person for a whale watching tour through the cruise line. I booked the exact same local operator, same boat, same duration, for $125 per person directly. Not only did we save a significant amount, but we also found smaller, more specialized tours that the cruise line doesn't offer. Just be sure to research reputable local companies and always allow ample time to get back to the ship. Secret number 4. Balcony cabins are worth the splurge. While any cabin on an Alaska cruise is good, here's a secret that truly enhances the experience, and they won't push it too hard because inside cabins sell easily. A balcony cabin is often worth the splurge in Alaska. I watched a massive glacier cab from the comfort of my private balcony, sipping coffee in my pajamas. Passengers in inside cabins rush to crowded public decks, craning their necks for a glimpse. In Alaska, the scenery is constant, and having your own private viewing platform, where you can easily dash outside without disturbing anyone, is priceless for glacier viewing, wildlife spotting, and just soaking in the quiet majesty. It turns your cabin into a front row seat. Secret number 5. Pack layers and waterproof everything. Alaska weather is famously unpredictable, and a hidden danger that cruise lines don't emphasize enough is being unprepared for constant shifts in temperature and rain. The secret is not just packing warm clothes, but packing multiple layers and ensuring everything is waterproof or water-resistant. I've seen so many people freezing on glacier viewing days or soaked through after a sudden downpour in Juneau because they only packed a single heavy coat and a flimsy umbrella. You need a waterproof outer shell, a fleece or wool mid-layer, and quick-drying base layers. Good waterproof shoes or boots are also a must. You'll be adding and shedding layers constantly, so versatility is key to staying comfortable. Secret number 6. Glacier Bay National Park is the holy grail. Most Alaska cruises visit a glacier, but the secret is that Glacier Bay National Park is widely considered the ultimate glacier experience. They don't always highlight its exclusivity because only a limited number of ships are allowed in per day. My very first Alaska cruise went to Hubbard Glacier, which was impressive. But when I finally sailed into Glacier Bay, with its sheer scale, multiple tidewater glaciers, and resident wildlife, it was truly next level. If Glacier Bay is important to you, check your itinerary carefully as you book. Many cruise lines offer it, but limited permits mean these sailings can fill up faster and sometimes cost a bit more. It's a secret worth pursuing. Secret number 7. Use binoculars, your secret weapon for wildlife. You'll see wildlife, but here's a secret to truly enhance those sightings that they often leave out of their packing lists. A good pair of binoculars is your absolute secret weapon. I saw a small brown speck on a distant hillside that other passengers dismissed. With my binoculars, it transformed into a magnificent grizzly bear grazing. Whales, eagles, seals, mountain goats, they often appear at a distance. Don't rely on your phone camera zoom. Invest in a decent pair, 8x or 10x magnification, and you'll unlock a world of detail that most cruisers completely miss. Secret number 8. Don't underestimate the value of at-sea days. Everyone focuses on the ports, but a powerful Alaska cruise secret is to not underestimate the immense value and potential of your at-sea days, especially those spent cruising through scenic fjords. Cruise lines focus on port excursions because that's where ancillary revenue comes from. My parents, first-time cruisers, meticulously planned every port excursion but then felt bored on a sea day. I reminded them that the at-sea day cruising through Tracy Arm Fjord was the main event. These days are for deck parties, naturalist talks, relaxing on your balcony, and simply soaking in the passing scenery. Embrace these days as the heart of your Alaska experience. It's not just transit between ports. Secret number 9. Consider a small ship or expedition cruise for deeper immersion. If true wilderness immersion is your goal, here's a secret they won't heavily promote unless you're specifically looking for it. Consider a small ship or expedition cruise for Alaska. The major lines focus on the mass market. A couple complained they only saw Ketchikan's main street and couldn't get close to wildlife. They were on a megaship. By contrast, a small ship can access remote coves, anchor closer to glaciers, and offer zodiac excursions for true up-close encounters with nature. They cost more, yes, but for a truly immersive, less crowded, and wildlife-focused experience, they're the hidden gem. Secret number 10. Embrace the salmon bake and local food scene. You'll eat great food on the ship, but a delicious hidden secret they don't want you to know, because it takes money off the ship, is to seek out and indulge in local Alaskan food experiences, especially a traditional salmon bake. My favorite memory from one port wasn't a gift shop, but an incredible all-you-can-eat salmon bake nestled in the forest outside Juneau. It was fresh, flavorful, and uniquely Alaskan. Don't be afraid to venture off the ship for meals. Look for local seafood shacks, king crab legs, and reindeer sausage. These authentic culinary experiences are part of the true Alaskan adventure. Secret number 11. The best wildlife viewing is often from the ship itself. Many people pay big money for specific wildlife excursions, but a powerful, money-saving secret is that some of the best wildlife viewing you'll do in Alaska happens right from your cruise ship. But cruise lines want you to book tours. I've seen humpback whales breaching, pods of orcas, sea lions, and countless eagles, all from the ship's deck while enjoying a cup of coffee. The ship is a massive moving platform that covers huge areas. Pay attention to naturalist announcements, scan the horizon, especially in fjords or near islands, and keep your binoculars handy. You might spot incredible wildlife without ever leaving the ship. Secret number 12. The midnight sun and long daylight hours are a secret weapon. Here's a secret about Alaska's daylight that they subtly use but don't fully explain how to leverage. The incredibly long daylight hours, the midnight sun effect, are your secret weapon for maximizing your experience. A fellow cruiser was upset they missed seeing a pod of whales at 9 p.m. because they went to bed early, assuming it was dark. In summer, it stays light until very late. This means more time for sightseeing, photography, and enjoying deck activities. Take naps during the day if needed, but stay up late, set alarms early, and use those extended daylight hours to soak in every moment. It's a unique Alaskan phenomenon you must embrace. And there you have it, informed adventurers, 12 12 Alaska cruise secrets they don't want you to know. My goal isn't to spill trade secrets for fun, but to empower you with the kind of insider knowledge that genuinely transforms your Alaska cruise from good to absolutely legendary. By understanding these subtle strategies and embracing the true essence of Alaska, you're not just taking a vacation. You're embarking on an epic journey that will leave you with a lifetime of unforgettable memories. So go forth, cruise smarter, and discover the true magic of the last frontier. Ready to unlock your legendary Alaska cruise? Hit like if these secrets are changing your travel plans, and subscribe to Cruise Pro for more honest insights and essential advice that truly transforms your travel experience. What's your top Alaska cruise tip? Share it in the comments below. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.